Hi guys, so this is our channel and welcome to our vids. You check on the other Dubai like we're making. I know we said that we have a Dubai chocolate in Dali. It's on this pack. And make sure if you want to have Dubai chocolate for free, please like and subscribe and comment. Hit the bell button, okay? Okay, now. Very good. So, this is the pistachio look like Dubai chocolate. Let me see it. Oh my god, it's so delicious. But I don't think it's delicious, so we're gonna try it. And just small. A little bit. Because, we're just gonna try it for the first time. I'm so excited! Yeah! OMG. OMG. Oh my goodness! So beautiful. Oh my god! It's just sweet. It's melting. Yes, it's melting. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna first bite. Me too, boys. Me too. It's yummy. The taste, guys, it's good. It's tasty. Tomorrow, we're gonna share this and put it on the refrigerator. And it's so good, like pistachio for real. We're not joking, guys. It's good. If you don't like it, so my dad gonna try it. So she's gonna wait. I'm gonna just give it to you. So I'm eating pistachio all day. You know, but it's fun. It's fun or not fun. But I don't like pistachio. But I like pistachio. You know, that's my phone. And sister just play my phone and she been not tell me because I'm sleeping. Sleepy. Just wait. So guys, the pistachio was good, but I put it on the refrigerator because tomorrow we're gonna eat it in the school. And my school will be jealous because they don't eat the Dubai chocolate. Like I said, what the you know, I will said, I have Dubai chocolate. And my classmate will said, really? Are you sure about that? Don't joke to us or kidding. And she said, so if I get in my bag the Dubai chocolate, the 1 pieces, she said, are you kidding me? And I said, I'm not kidding to you. I'm not joking. Because I buy it. And my classmate said, where did you buy it? Or did you go to the Dubai? And I said, that's impossible. And I will not go in Dubai. You know why, guys? Because it will make us to go at 5 a.m. We will land at 5 a.m. and I have a school. So, do you like the pistachio Dubai chocolate? Yeah, I like. Over infinity. infinity over 10. I mean infinite. Cause it's so tasty. If you want to try it, the location is on the title. Hey! Okay, bye!